The research project that we present, Digitization, Economic Crisis and Public Local Television in Spain, the cases of Andalucía and Catalonia 2010-2015, started from the observation by the authors that the number of local public television decreased after the DTT implementation. Moreover, the impact of economic crisis made the fragile situation of the sector worse, producing the closure of more channels, the reduction of employees, or the deterioration of the production conditions. In addition, there was a lack of research projects about this topic and the general evolution of the sector from 2010, the moment of the analog shutdown. This study started from the following assumption: the economic crisis will make the intern situation in local public television worse, and therefore the general structure of the sector due to the cutback policies in public administration and the managing model of the economic crisis. This financial policy will deteriorate the situation of public local television that suffered a digital migration without having taken into account its real situation and necessities. We consider the following questions. Which had been the evolution of local public television from the analog shutdown in 2010 in context of economic crisis? Which was the impact of the economic crisis in important indications such as the number of local public television stations, the number of towns involved in the channels management, the financial situation of the companies that manage the station, the number of employees, and the amount of proximity content production? To give response to these questions, we used a methodology based on the cases comparative analysis. The study was delimited to the autonomous communities of Andalusia and Catalonia because these are two relevant cases. Both were pioneers in the creation of public television stations and concentrated the biggest number of public channels in the analog era. After the digitalization, these are the two regions that reserved more frequencies to the public sector and those that have highest number of local television stations operating. At the time of delimiting the object of study, it has been chosen to limit it to the station that broadcasts by DTT in a legal form, after obtaining a license to use a part of the spectrum from the autonomic administration. The current map of local public television is the result of a complex casuistry that includes local stations that broadcast without a license, television that do it in analog technology, and even municipalities that rent frequencies to private companies to broadcast their public channel. After the exhaustive study of both cases, we can conclude that in 2015 we have a weaker and more fragile sector than in the analog era. All the indicators considered in this research demonstrate this. The current situation of public local DTT station differs considerably from the initial forecast from which the public policies were drawn up. Only a third of the channels planned were launched, and fewer are still broadcasting 5 years later. In addition, since the analog shutdown, the sector has still been reduced, with 6 channel closures, 5 in Andalusia and 1 in Catalonia. The number of towns involved in channels management has also been reduced due to the decrease of members in problematic consortia in Catalonia, a community that strongly opted for this management model compared to Andalusia. In general, the financial situation of the companies that manage television channels is worse in 2015 than in 2010, and many of them have been closed. This produced a reduction of the number of workers that in some cases reached half of the employees of the channel. Only if we focus the attention on the production of original content, we find a less negative situation, which allows us to argue that in general the economic crisis has not always affected the function of the proximity that these public television stations are entrusted with. However, this fact raises issues such as the potential precariousness of workers or quality of programming. Considering the global situation, the consequences of the crisis seem more grave in Andalusia, where there have been more closures of channels, liquidation of companies, and job losses, although this has not diminished the increased capacity to continue producing proximity content. In both autonomous communities, the observed evolution seems to point out concrete solutions from every local government or consortium rather than a common reaction to the crisis. However, it is true that the trend is to try to reduce costs and clean up the situation of companies with debt. Therefore, there is not a coordinated response but multiple local reactions. Ultimately, we can assure that the digitization in a context of economic crisis brought a refundation more than an stabilization of local public DT projects. For this reason, it is necessary to set out a redefinition of the local public television model. The duration of the crisis and the rigidity of the model point out a progressive weakening of the station that can bring more impoverishment of its social role or even the disappearance of more channels.